Hello children. Today we are going to learn about my sister and me. So here the lesson tells you about sister and me means a brother. A brother and sister's relationship. So this is in the picture we can see the Rakhi. Yes, we tie Rakhis on Raksha Bandhan. So Raksha Bandhan we celebrate in India the relation to show between a brother and sister. When the sister ties a knot, that is Rakhi, to her brother, he promises to protect her and to have a good affection with her. So Raksha Bandhan is a festival observed in North India. It celebrates warm feelings and affection between brothers and sisters. This is a story of Krishna and Draupadi. When Krishna's hand got hurt, so Draupadi ties a knot to the wrist bleeding to the Krishna, and Draupadi tore a strip of her silk sari. So she tore a sari strip to tie it around his wrist, and so the Krishna was very much touched with the sister, that is Draupadi. From that day we have started to celebrate the festival. It comes in the month of August or September or July. So it is in the month of Shravana. We know Shravana we celebrate festivals. Here brother says to the sister, we laugh, we cry, we make time fly. How? By being best friends are we, my sister and me. The brother says, repeat after me. We laugh, we cry, we make time fly. Best friends are we, my sister and me. So here in the lesson we have some new words, that is affection. That means you like something, so that is having a affection. Tie, to tie the strings. In Kannada we say gantu haku. To hold two or more things together use strings. When we tie Rakhi, we need to tie it with two sides. Celebrate. We celebrate many festivals like Dasara, Deepavali in our country. Carry, to take things from one place to another. We carry the school bags to the school. We carry water bottle. We carry lunch box. And what do you carry? Yes, you carry some books and compass. Protect means to keep secure. To protect our sister. Brothers tell, we will protect our sister. Aarti, yes, a plate with lamps we have in front of the God. On Raksha Bandhan, after tying a knot, the sister makes Aarti to her brother. So Raksha Bandhan is a festival observed in North India. It celebrates warm feelings and affection between brothers and sisters. In the epic Mahabharata, in the epic means a great book of India, Mahabharata, this kind of affection is seen between Krishna and Draupadi. When Krishna's wrist blade from wound, Draupadi tore a string of her silk sari and tied it around his wrist. Wrist means where you tie the Raksha Bandhan, that is called as wrist. We wear wrist watches. He was so touched by her act that he vowed to protect. Vowed means promised to protect her, as he took her to be his sister. From that movement. The festival is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Shravana. Here, two girls, that is Vani and Suma. The two girls were going to market. Suma wanted to buy some Rakhis, so she was going to market. Two girls met on the street while going to the market. Let us know what they talk. Now, let us listen. So, Vani asked to the Suma, "Hi Suma, where are you going?" Suma told, "I am going to market to buy Rakhis." What did Suma tell? "I am going to the market to buy Rakhis." Then Vani asked, "What is Rakhi?" "It is a symbol of love and affection." So, what is Rakhi? Rakhi is a symbol of love and affection. It strengthens the bond between brothers and sisters and cousins. So, a sister ties the Rakhi to her own brothers and cousins. A Rakhi is made of thread and it is colorful. "Look, I have brought some with me." So Suma told, "Look here, I have brought some Rakhis." "Vani, what do you do with that?" So Vani told, "What do you do with Rakhi?" Then Suma told, "I tie it on the right wrist of my brother." Which hand, children? Right hand. And friends like Raju, Deepu, Arun and others. So she feels them as her brother Raju, Deepu, Arun and others. So she tied the Rakhi. Why do you do that? Because Vani doesn't know. Tying of Rakhi is known as Raksha Bandhan. It is believed that the person who is presented with a Rakhi promises to protect the sister. Affection between brothers and sisters is thus established. When you tie the Rakhi, you have affection and love between brothers and sisters. So Vani told, "Please tell me more about it and I will also celebrate the festival." Then Suma told, Raksha Bandhan festival is celebrated every year in the month of which month? Shravana. In the month of Shravana. After Nagara Panchami, we celebrate Nagara Panchami first and then we celebrate Raksha Bandhana. Sisters carry sweets and Rakhi in a plate with Aarti in it. Yes, sisters carry some sweets and Rakhi in a plate with Aarti. They tie Rakhi round the wrist of the brother and give sweets. The brothers give gifts or money to the sisters in return. So, brothers give gifts or money to the sisters, and sisters tie the Rakhi and they give sweets to their brothers. Vani said, "Fine, thank you. I will also buy Rakhis and tie them on my brother's wrist." So, this is the festival of love and affection between a brother and a sister. Now we have some here exercises, that is, complete the sentence using words from brackets. So first we have to write on the correct answer. First read them. Seema and Vani are carrying Rakhis on a plate. So they are carrying Rakhi on a plate. They want to celebrate Raksha Bandhan festival with their cousins. So they want to celebrate Raksha Bandhan festival with their brothers. The brothers promise to protect their sisters. So the brothers promise to protect their sisters. Affection binds the siblings together. Affection binds the siblings together. Siblings means the brother and sisters. So this is, let us understand, answer the questions orally. Now I'll ask you some question. Tell the answers, not to write, just to say from your own words. What did Draupadi do to Krishna's wound? What did Draupadi do to Krishna's wound? Yes. Draupadi tore the strip of her silk saree and it tied around the Krishna's wound on the wrist. So what did Draupadi do? Draupadi tore her sari and tied around the Krishna's wound. In which part of India is Raksha Bandhan celebrated? Yes, Raksha Bandhan is celebrated in the north part of India. North means upper part. So north part of India. When is the festival celebrated? The festival is celebrated in Shravana. And now here we have answered the following question in a word. Where is Suma going? Yes, Suma is going to market. What does she want to buy? She want to buy some Rakhi. So she want to buy Rakhi to her brothers. When is affection and love established? When a brother promises to protect the sister, affection and love is established. Okay. So, let us celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Happy Raksha Bandhan, children. Bye.